This is a very important message for all the authors out there. Crystal Lake Publishing is hosting an author's journey workshop starting May 1st, and it's going to be for 3 months online. And instead of reading you this whole list of boring information that I'm sure you've seen in a lot of ads before, I'm just going to tell you what we're doing and why it's so important. Now, first of all, it's online. You work at your own pace, but I know for a lot of authors, accountability check-ins are very important. So how this works, and this is, by the way, our fourth annual author's journey. We've done short stories, poetry, and last year we had a very successful novella writing workshop, which we're doing this year again. Now, how this works is it's for 13 weeks. Everyone's going to write a novella. It starts with me doing a story coaching session with you. I'm, of course, Joe Maynard, the founder and CEO of Crystal Lake Publishing. As you can see, there's my Bram Stoker Award, there's our Publisher of the Year Award, and a whole bunch of others, as you can see there. So I'm not going to waste your time, I'm not going to waste your money, I'm not going to ask you thousands of dollars for this, because Crystal Lake Publishing has always had this record of helping people, helping authors. We like to connect young authors with mid-tier, mid-level authors, with the biggest names in the industry. We like to always put them together in anthologies, because you always have to give back. A lot of people were there for us, for me, when we were starting out, and we want to do the same. So what we also do then is, after the story coaching session, which is again online Zoom, whenever you have a moment, we'll discuss your story idea, whether you have one yet or not. I've had it with authors who had no idea what they're going to write. Some had short stories they wanted to develop, some had novellas or novels that just didn't work, and we were able to fix it. It is in a group setting, so yes, you write alone, but it doesn't have to be the solitary effort. Last year we had 64 students, and we had regular scheduled meetings on Zoom. We ask questions, we discuss problems, we help each other. I use my more than, 14 years of experience in publishing, marketing, editing, everything. I've been reading horror since I was probably 8 years old, before I was supposed to even be reading, stuff like that. This is a 13-week workshop, and it is for authors who are either starting out or who have written plenty of short stories, but they've never taken that big step of writing a novella, or you're just tired of doing this alone and you actually want to try something different. And you're going to write this, yes, you're going to write your own novella, but it's going to be with the help of not just me and the peer group, but professional editors as well. So there's going to be deadlines. You're going to hand in on certain dates. It's going to go to editors. Each editor will have a group of 10 students, and you will get feedback on your first 10,000 words. Then there's a deadline for the second 10,000 words. And we'll have you submit your second draft after a bit of feedback. And then at the end, there will be peer assessment. So just a lot of steps to make sure that this is the best novella. And we're not just looking for, horror stories, horror novellas. We're looking at fantasy, suspense, thriller, dark fiction, supernatural. If anything, with our experience, it doesn't matter what the genre is. We will help you get the story where it needs to be. Each editor will also present a Zoom session or class based on certain aspects of writing, whether it's like writing a better opening scene, building better characters, getting more of an emotional response for your reader, an emotional connection, plot development, character creation, building suspense, that every book needs, that stays in the mind of the reader. I've been an author coach and mentor since probably 2016, and I know accountability check-ins are very important for authors. And anything that you need, and every author is different, anything you need, we are there to support you and get you to that final step of finishing your novella. You'll find the info in the description. Give us a chance. It is only $160 for the entire 3 months. There's no hidden costs. You'll work with a publisher, editors, your co-authors, you'll meet other authors, you'll most likely, and we've seen this from experience, authors join or start beta groups, they help each other with book launches. I will also, from my end, help you with book marketing, branding, everything. It's a lot more than just, I want to write my novel. So book your spot today and start your journey to success. Hope to see you there.